So we ran out of time. We didn't finish. So starting again here. That was a couple nights ago. Bag 6. Here we go. All right, where are we? I think it's one of these. The one. This fiver looks like a $5 coin or a 5-cent nickel. And the popcorn sign. You get those. There we are. Popcorn. This guy? No. The big guy. Popcorn. You have to get to the next spot. Oh yeah, there we are. That's pretty cool. Oh, how far is it? You on the right side? Oh yeah. They'd leave that one empty there. If we can get it on. What's that? Something? The wheel hub thing. Right here. Oh, cool. Interesting. Sneak in here and grab this bit of popcorn here. That's pretty cool. Okay, flip it over. We're building under here now, the undercarriage. And 2 of the single ones. Do you know where those 2 little guys are? Which ones? Let me see. Oh, those guys. No, I don't see them. Oh, let's just... It'll show up. It'll turn up somewhere. Okay. Okay, that's this part, which goes on to... Nope, the other side. This one? Mm-hmm. This one goes here. These wing things, or these are, must be the steps. So. Okay. We got these, 2 of these. The roof things. You do one, I'll do one. Sure. What are these? 3? Oh, yeah. Whatever these things are. Claws. They actually look like the cutters for a silage cutter. Or a hair cutting machine that goes like that. That's right. Okay. Flip this over. Okay, I guess it's just going like that. Yeah.
in the right spot there. Yeah. Wheels.
Oh, that's cool.
Is next.
I get you. Turning away with 3 wheels.
Oh, come on. Doesn't want to go on. There we go.
That's cool. And then it goes,
Are we hooking it up?
yep, this goes right there and clicks into there. Boom. There we have
That's
it.
handy.
That's pretty cool.
Won't slide off. Oh, we can bring it closer here.
That is pretty amazing. Bag number 7. Second last bag.
Oh, it's the man. Built the popcorn guy. He's got a smiley face pin.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. With his jet black hair.
Is that typical for black popcorn guys?
I don't know. For this guy it is. And did he do anything else? Okay, we'll just set him aside. Oops, daisy. Put him there for now. This is where he needs his broom, so he can sweep. Okay.
There we are. Next. You get 30, 31. I get 32.
I like these gold pieces. Okay, so is this way. There it is.
I think I may have done all my pieces.
Okay, yeah, it's taking me a bit here. What am I looking for? This guy and the 4x8. 2 by 4. There you go. Take it away.
This is the roof, eh?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Okay. I think I have enough for the fancy rooftop part. They want 4 of them, so build 2 each. That's all these guys.
Sorry, say that again.
This section there, they want 4 of them, so I figured we'd just you build 2, I'll build 2. Is that right? Okay. Oh, didn't get these guys in there.
That's how it works.
That's really neat how they did that.
Yeah. And just use the bag up. Put it right in close.
Okay.
Funny things, so funny things. Okay.
Okay, just a minute. This is going, yeah, that's the right direction. And one of these guys.
Do you have that correct? Oh.
I think so. Like that.
Oh, you turned them inside out. Did I go too far? I must
Yeah.
have gone too far.
You're on the next
Oh yeah, there we are.
step.
Oh, look at that. Like they're roller skates. These two here.
Those go upside down, right?
That's what I did, yeah.
And we get to attach this thing
I would say it probably
this way.
goes that way, yeah. Just enough,
Clearance. Supposed to be enough clearance there.
and just enough so that it attaches it, but it's also easy to pull off if you need, because it's just like one there,
Yeah.
two there. Interesting how they do that. Done. Well, that's pretty cool. That would be bag number 7.
Okay, we got 2 people to build here.
Yeah.
I'll take the one with the popcorn. Oh,
Okay.
it's hard to imagine that's actually a Lego piece there.
Yeah.
Teddy bear.
What do you call these again?
Those are balloon.
Balloon animal. Okay. Gray.
So I'm doing the
I get the first one with the,
shorter girl.
I get grandma. She's holding on to the teddy bear
Okay, yours has the glasses.
and the balloon dog for her granddaughter. Yeah.
Okay, and
Here's how they do the face here. So you can have 2 different expressions. Eyes open, eyes closed.
well, kind of squinting.
Yeah, so then you go like that. And you put,
This is only
you put the hair
one
on
side.
there and the eyes squinting is gone.
There you go. Look at that. Popcorn.
Okay. Doesn't show her equipment yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like right there. This guy goes inside.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Okay.
Stand there. Okay.
Now there's one dot here, and it goes off center. 1. Boom.
This is the festive awning. Okay. This side. Sticking out 2. Oh, that's interesting. This side sticks out. Only 1. This 2. I got the burgundy, I think you'd call this.
Oh, those are such a great idea.
Now this is the real, I think this is more like a combine. Harvesting wheat.
We'll soon cure that.
Okay, yeah, we got to get the guy in there before we attach this. The
Popcorn man.
the guy that owns this food truck. He's gonna stand right here by the cashier.
See,
There's
look.
a knob for him to stand on. There we go. Perfect. Look at that guy.
Oh, see, look. It was right.
Okay, so you got that one right, and this one.
Oh, let's get this guy on first. Or actually, we can get that after. It's not a big deal.
Gonna have to hold this a little bit. There we go.
Then, there. Wow.
So,
And there we are.
so you got that machine in the back there. I just love the cups with the bottle there and the cake in the back.
The solo cups.
And if you turn this thing here, popcorn goes up and down.
Somebody's ingenious.
Yeah, they did a great job on that.
You can close up shop almost.
Mm-hmm.
Not quite. Well,
That's neat. I like
that's
that.
fun.
We really enjoyed putting that together, and you can press that like button and subscribe to our channel for more of these builds.